Testing multiple products a week can be super confusing, and it's very, very complicated to get lost in the numbers and the data and not really have an overview of what's working and what's not working. And that's the exact reason why I made a specific structure of how to keep in place what exactly you're testing, how it's doing, and how the whole process is going. Okay, it's going to be crucial to apply this, and there needs to be a system in place to actually do this. And in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to do that. I'm basically going to screen share and tell you exactly how I structure my tests. So trust me, it's going to be super important to actually apply this if you are testing multiple products a week, or at least like every few weeks, 1 or 2 products. So trust me, if you're a person who already tests products right now, then this video is super important, and watch it till the end. So this is the exact way how you should keep track of every single product you're testing to make sure that you actually do keep the overview over everything. All right. So very first of all, we're using the software Trello. It's basically a website. It's free. It's super easy to use. Not affiliated by them, but it's a great one. And basically, every single product which you think fits all the criteria which you set for yourself or the virtual assistant did, you're basically going to put the products which are good into this list. So this is the place where you're going to put it in. It's either going to be a link of some sort or something to make sure that the person who will check that later on is going to be able to show this to the supplier. All right. Ideally, you're going to have some kind of AliExpress link, which you're going to send to the supplier. And that's basically going to be the deciding factor if the product is going to be tested or not. First of all, you need to make sure that all the products you're going to fill in here are already very good from all the other perspectives. All right. This is not the first sheet. Like ideally, you have another sheet where you're going to put in all the products. And if everything is a good fit from the best ones, then you're going to just put it in here. Okay. So you put it in here, and if a product is in here, your virtual assistants should immediately see, all right, this needs to be sent to the supplier. So they basically send the link from here to the supplier, ask them how much it costs, and ideally you already put in how much it can cost max to make the cut. So for example, if it's more than $4, it's not going to make the cut. And basically the supplier checks, tells them, and if they see it's $5, they're going to put it here. If it's $3, they're going to put it here. Okay? And every product which is here should get a notification to the next person, which is basically the store and ad creator, or like 2 people is store and ad creation. And basically their job is going to be to get this product from here to here. All right. So store and ads are done. Obviously, if for example the store person made the store already, however the ads are not done yet, he's just going to mark this green. And if they did so, then the ad person, whenever they are done, they're going to see, okay, it's green, so the store is done, move it here. All right. And when it is moved here and the store and ads are done, you are basically going to check the product and make sure that everything is fine. You need to do that with, especially in the beginning with your virtual assistants. At some point, you're going to trust them and you're not going to need to check it. However, in the beginning, for the first like 10 to 20 for sure, you're going to need to check everything they're doing. Now, when you reviewed everything and everything was great, you put it in here. And if it's here, the next person who's basically going to set up your Facebook ads is just going to move it over here whenever they created the ad sets, selected the interest, did everything on the Facebook Ads Manager, connect the pixel, whatever is needed to do. And when that's done, you're going to be either the person who's going to just click on launch, like literally everything is ready. You can check it real quick, make sure that everything is good, and then launch. Right, and then it's going to land over here, and here you're going to have all the launch products. And yeah, from there it's pretty straightforward. It's either being killed after a few days if it doesn't work, or if it's a potential winner, it's going to be here, or if it's a winner, you're going to move it over here. So it doesn't matter how you do this. However, you need to have this type of overview. Okay, you need to make sure that every single product which is being tested, you know in which phase it is. All right, it's either pre-launch or post-launch, but still you need to make sure in between where exactly it is and what's created and where your main sticking points are. Because what you're going to learn from here is what takes the most amount of time to actually test the product. And if you see that to get the product from here to here is going to take long, then maybe you're the slow person and that's why everything is so slow. Or maybe the Facebook ad setup guy is slow and this move here is going to take longer. And basically this is how you identify sticking points, okay? This is how you identify the weak areas of your business and the person who kind of is dragging everything down. Or even if it's you doing all of this, it's still, okay, what are your weak points and where are you slacking? So trust me, super important to do all of this. And if you actually want to see more of those types of videos, subscribe to the channel, leave a like. And also, if you want to work with me one-on-one, click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session. We're going to figure out if we're actually a good fit. If yes, we're going to get started working together. I'm literally going to look over everything here. So I'm basically going to check out if the products you select are actually good. I'm going to check out your store. I'm going to check out your ads. I'm going to review everything you're doing on Facebook. And basically, I'm going to make sure that this is the column where all the products are going to be moved. And I'm basically going to be responsible for you having the most amount of success from the products you're testing. Okay? So click the link below and see you there.